Welcome. If you're looking to learn how to unfollow an account directly from a post on the Facebook app for PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps to help you clean up your newsfeed and control exactly what pops up every time you log in. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your PC and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, start scrolling through your newsfeed to find a post from the account or person you'd like to unfollow. This could be a post from a friend, a page, or any profile that keeps showing up more than you'd like. When you've found a post from that specific account, look closely at the top right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots sitting side by side. These 3 dots open up more options specifically related to that post and the account that shared it. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will instantly appear, offering you several options to manage what you see from that account. Now look for the option that reads, Unfollow with the name of the account, filling in the blank. Click Unfollow. That's it. You've just taken a simple but powerful step. From now on, you'll remain connected as friends or a follower, but you won't see any more posts from that account in your news feed. This is perfect for those moments when you need to tidy up your feed, cut down on distractions, or simply get a break from repetitive updates without removing someone or unfriending them. Unfollowing accounts from posts like this gives you flexibility and keeps your Facebook experience in your control. Try it out on a few posts and notice how your feed starts to feel more curated, more relevant, and much more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in.